Next in the video is a number 148 8-inch ductile, whatever that means. Brink and cotton. Anybody know what the hell brink and cotton is? Well, I know it's a clamp. Most times you get these clamps and they are bent to shit. This one is in pretty good shape. It's got a little bend, tiny little bend in it, but for the most part, it's pretty straight. I mean, you look at it, it's not bad. It's a little rust on it. It's got this stupid quarter dozen left on it for the price tag. But yeah, it's in good shape. And what I figure fun little project would be to make a new little pad on the top and vapor rust it and paint it up and put it back together. I picked it up, I think it was like, it's rare you see these things for like $6. Usually people want like 25, 30, 40 bucks for these stupid things. And this is a big one. I can always use this. It ain't one of those like Insta-clamp ones there, but you know what? Tell someone's weld splatter on it. Nice clamp. Little vapor rust, little paint, little polish the pad here, polish thing here, and paint it, and boom. Works good. Most people I find, it seems like most people in the comments, or I see online, don't know how to replace this. Basically make a flat pad, drill a hole, and peen off the sides. And it's funny how people don't know that. Like I didn't know it. Like I always thought, so now when I look for a, what do you call it, a clamp like this, I try to look for them they're straight, even though, what is it, Scout Crafter showed, there's a good video on how to straighten them. So it's got a little damage here, which apparently is not that hard. You take your time. And making these things is not that hard either. You can make them with a drill press and a grinder. So yeah, I have a lathe, so I might try that out. So yeah, little project coming here. One of my little things to do. Vapor rust, vapor rust, vapor rust, yeah! Thanks for watching, enjoy, and like, subscribe.